Today's video is about umbilical cord care in newborns. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, every week health related tips are shared via simple videos. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Also, press the bell icon adjacent to it to get instant notifications whenever new content is released. This week's video is about umbilical cord care in newborns. We know umbilical cord is very essential in fetal life. That is the conduit through which your nutrition from the placenta, from the mother, is transported to the baby through the umbilical cord. So it contains blood vessels. Once the baby is born, the baby is not dependent on the mother's blood vessels or placenta for nutrition. So the umbilical cord is cut. Usually 2 clamps are put. In between the clamps, the cord is cut. So you will have the baby with a small portion of the umbilical cord with the clamp on. This clamp can be removed after 24 hours without any problem to the baby. The umbilical cord itself becomes dry, gets shriveled, fallen off by itself within 1 to 2 weeks. What you need to do within this time? You need not meddle with it. That's the most important message. Nowadays, we even say don't apply even spirit, alcohol or some disinfectant wipes to that. Just leave it as it is. The baby's umbilical cord will fall off by itself without any problems. Okay. Many a time we advise the mothers not to bathe the baby till the umbilical cord has fallen off. No, strictly you can bathe the baby. What is not advised is a tub bath where you allow the baby to get soaked in the water. You can do sponge bath or you can do a mild wash of the baby. You just have to ensure that the umbilical cord region remains dry. You can pad dry with a clean cotton cloth. What should not be done is application of other local remedies, unproven things. So these should not be done. In countries like ours, India, even cow dung, ashes, many things are applied to this umbilical cord stump, which can lead to infection, and this infection can be dangerous, even leading to death. So umbilical cord care, just ensure that it is not infected. For this, you should not meddle with the umbilical cord stump. It will fall off by itself within 2 weeks. Okay. If there is a delay in falling off umbilical cord, or if you suspect any infection, how do you suspect it? If there is any redness or swelling around the region of the umbilical cord, you need to visit the doctor. Whenever the umbilical cord falls by itself, you might have few drops of blood coming out. This is totally harmless. You need not do anything about it. That region may look dark, black, or may have scabs around it. Again, you need not do anything. Just leave it. The dried scab will fall off and the baby will become perfectly alright. So essentially, umbilical cord care entails cleanliness and leaving to itself. Nothing more is required in cord care. Friends, hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.